start this edition with breaking news coming in from Kolkata, where the protest to release the ISKCON monk in Bangladesh is only growing louder. We have live visuals from Kolkata where the Sanatanis have come out on the streets of Bangladesh demanding the release of the ISKCON monk Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu. Visuals there on your screen which shows how there is massive protest in Kolkata. Mamta's police there trying to control the situation because the protest, the clarion call has grown louder. The streets of Kolkata is erupting with anger, and all of this demanding release of the ISKCON monk Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu, who was arrested on the charges of sedition by the Bangladesh government. Remember, it is an illegal arrest. The MEA has released a statement demanding the safety and security of Hindus in Bangladesh. It is not just one sole incident, ladies and gentlemen. Hindus have been under attack in Bangladesh under the UNICEF regime, and the latest that we have is that the ISKCON monk Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu, who was arrested from Dhaka airport, was later denied bail, is still in the prison, and protests have been underway in Kolkata. Live visuals of that on your screen, where the protest demanding release of the ISKCON monk Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu is only growing louder. There's a clarion call for Hindus to unite against the Hindu phobia. Yesterday, as we saw, it was BJP. And these are the latest protest visuals that we're getting in from Kolkata, West Bengal, where Hindus have come out in large number to protest against the illegal detention and arrest of the ISKCON monk Chinmay Krishnadas Prabhu, who was arrested in Dhaka. Remember, the ISKCON said that they have apprised the center about the continuing attacks on their monks and other members of the Hindu religious organization in the country of Bangladesh. ISKCON Kolkata spokesperson Radha Raman Das also spoke to Republic and said that what's happening in Bangladesh is nothing but a persecution of Hindus in Bangladesh under UNICEF's regime, and they've called for strict action. The anger against UNICEF's regime is only growing louder, with fresh visuals now coming from Kolkata. Not just in Kolkata, in fact, there are protests happening worldwide in support of the ISKCON monk.